Alrighty, IB students, so you're going to be going from larsononline.weebly. You're going to click right here, and it's going to take you to the IB website. Now, the IB website is officially a different website. It's larsonib.weebly.com instead of Larson Online. I did that simply because there's a lot more content for IB that you need to understand. Again, so the course guide right through here, the syllabus, so you can click on here and get that taken care of and signed. IB assessments and the academic integrity and all those policies right through here. This link will take you back to the main website. If you need to find anything on there, this is where you're going to go to find back to that, like the letter of recommendation request, all those different things. Now, for IB, I have broken it down by unit. So our units are going to go right through here. Authoritarian states, okay, you need to look at 2 of the leaders below and then go through there. Now, first thing you should be looking at is this. Okay, the IB textbook is intense. That's the simplest way of putting it. There is a way to read this in an effective way that'll help you learn and not feel overwhelmed, and there's a way to do it that's just going to be miserable. This explains what you should be doing and how you should go about and read the textbook. So please do watch that right through here. Now, I've got a link to the textbook here. I'll link all the textbooks either on the website if I can. If not, I will be sure to send the file to you so you'll have a digital copy as well. So the textbooks right through here. This, when it comes to authoritarian states, is a question generator, a nice link that I have found. So these are going to be sample questions. You can create a number of these, okay, and get as many different style of questions as you need. When we do practice exams, these are where I'm going to be pulling a lot of the questions from. So you can see that right through here. Your form notes, okay, I've linked these on the website as well. When it comes to understanding the form notes, you need to be completing and typing these in red as you do your reading. Okay, so the first section is for Hitler. So whenever you're talking about anything, for example, how propaganda was used to establish authoritarian states, write it here in red. You can have the same bit of information on multiple things if it relates to multiple things, but fill these out as you go. I have access to all of your form notes, and this is not for me to see like, hey, you're not doing this, you're in trouble. It's to see what you're like struggling with so that I can make those adjustments and make sure you know this information. Because you could easily be quizzed on one of these things for the IB exam. I want to make sure you know everything. So that's why your form notes are here. This is literally the stuff that comes directly from the IB syllabus, as you can see right here, these learning objectives. So any of these are fair game. I just broken it down right through here. Some sample notes you can see right here. History duck, there's some more information right in here. Now, the leaders we're going to be looking at in IB are going to be Nasser and Hitler. Okay, so 4.1 and 4.4. I would highly recommend you watch these biographies before you start reading, because there's a lot of good information here that'll explain the person. Going to have more links right through here. I think key questions and the vocab. You will have a vocab quiz over the leaders in class. You will do that in class once. You can take a practice vocab quiz as many times as you want. It's going to be open. Key questions you will also do in class. I will grade these. You can see them all right through here. Projects and stuff I'll talk about in a later video, but all the information on these leaders are going to be here. If for some reason you find a good bit of information over one of these leaders, good set of notes, anything like that, email me with the link, because I would like to add it to the website, because I want everyone to have access to this. My goal in IB history is to create a collaborative group of students who are working together. So if you find good information, share it with me, because I would like to share it with other people. Provided on the website. Cold War is going to be our second topic right through here. Same kind of thing below. Got the form notes right through here. Paper 1, okay, so we have paper 2 and paper 1. I'll talk about that later. Rwandan genocide is the first one. Okay, videos right through here. Same kind of stuff. This video is intense, so that's why it's going to be age restricted, but we'll talk about that when it comes up. Kosovo right through here. Then I've got a whole section for IB writing, as you can see right through here. Okay, so effective citing and referencing. General writing help is going to take you back to the main website where I talked about writing, how to try to stop sounding smart, because when you try to sound smart, you don't. Doesn't work. Just write like yourself. All about paper 1, all about paper 2. Paper 3 is for HL only. I've got this information right through here. When it comes to working on the IA, everything you need for the IA is right through here, as well as student samples and the extended essay you'll have right here. And then this will take you to the extended essay website. So this is for students who are in full IB. I'll be writing an extended essay. I will give this also for the IA, because there's some stuff in here that'll be kind of the same, especially the research process. You're going right from there. Student samples. This is a sample of past projects that students have worked on. So you can see like the authoritarian leaders' notes that students created from 19 and 20. Presentations from 19 and 20, case briefs over the different years, Communist Manifesto campaign ads, assessment samples, internal assessment samples, IAs, all that stuff right through here. Lastly, okay, is this page. This is your page of general history resources. I have broken it down pretty much by area right through here. So these are all academic research. Okay, so if you need to find like medieval sources, go here. Digital archives, all these different things right through here. These often relate to history, but some of them relate to any subject. So right through here, this is stuff just for IB to help you on this kind of information. All about European history, okay, Irish history because I'm getting a master's in this, so I've got a whole link to Irish stuff, the Middle East and North Africa. I've got some more I need to add for Africa, Asia, American history, political science, geography, economics, and this is all for teachers. Some of it might be useful for you, but you can see that information right through here. Again, if you find a good source that relates to one of these, email me and I'll get it added to the site. This is going to be especially useful when it comes to looking at your IA, your extended essay if you're doing it in history, but all this stuff right through here. So this is how you use the history website. The last one is if you're an HL, click here. It's going to take you to the HL website. I've got some more development to do on this one, but it'll have the 3 different topics, okay, right here. The content and then study resources as well. So please do become familiar with this website and understand what's happening. If you have questions, comments, anything like that, please let me know. Otherwise, good luck. See you later.